Well, hey guys, I'll tell you what we're going to do today. We're going to go out there and we're going to check out the ground saw. Got a little painting done before the rain came. Rain's supposed to start tomorrow. And I tell you what, it's already getting cloudy out there. I'll show y'all some clouds out in a little bit. Already got a notification on my phone that there's some heavy rain in some areas. So anyway, nothing happening here yet. But let's go out here and let's check out that ground saw. Well, here we are, guys, and we had really a decent day for doing a little painting outside. Everything came out pretty good. You know, painting outside, you get a little bit of trash in it, but it's nothing I can't deal with. But anyway, I was real happy how everything come out. Paint laid down good and got a decent shine. So I tell you what, let me just show a few little details. Hopefully the wind's not too bad for you, but this is my little serial number plate, and I was pretty happy on how it turned out. I was glad it still had it on there. You know, it gives you a little more information than just starting from scratch, just looking. Well, here we go. I wanted to just kind of give you a preview of something, what it's going to look like. It's looking pretty good. The red and white, original colors. So, going to look pretty snazzy. This is the belt guard. And it's going to go right about in here. And what I'm going to have to do is re-stencil the name across there, but that'll look sharp. Won't be too hard to do. Well, and got everything painted just in time. Storm clouds are coming back. It's supposed to be raining all weekend long. Well, I tell you what, I'm pretty happy with the color choice and how everything's going together. I'm going to have to let that thing kind of dry up a little bit more. Everything's a little tacky still to the touch. So anyway, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.
you.